Thank you for purchasing your Comfort Plastics Restor-A-Spa Kit. With the helper, in 3 to 4 hours, your spa will look like new again. The new panels will install the same way as the old panels. The old panels were installed up and under the spa shell. The new ones will also be installed this way. Install the new panels with the cut edge up. Before we get started, there are just a few tools and supplies needed. A circular saw with a fine-tooth blade, a cordless drill with a No. 2 Phillips driver, safety glasses, a 1/4-inch drill bit, measuring tape, marker, and a straight edge. I also like to have 3 to 4 2x4x8s on hand with a box of 2-inch deck screws just in case extra bracing is needed. Let's get started by opening up the boxes and laying out the parts. Each kit will contain 4 access panels, 4 flexible corners, 8 end panels, and 2 bags of hardware and instructions. Remove all of the old panels and set aside. We will use these as a template when cutting the new panels to size. Using one of the old panels as a template, mark the first access panel to the proper height. Cut using a circular saw. Be sure to wear safety glasses. Mark and cut the remaining 3 access panels and the 8 end panels to height. The flexible corners will require 2 cuts. Make the first cut right along the top of the panel, cutting off the 2 extra flanges and the panel stiffener. Save the flanges. The second cut will be cutting the corner panel to the same height as the other panels we already cut. Hold up a flexible corner to the spot to determine if additional bracing is needed behind the flanges. Mark the location of the bracing. Next, center the access panel on the straight side and mark locations for additional bracing behind the flanges. If there isn't at least one more brace behind the middle of the panel, you will need to install one to support the middle of the panel. Measure and cut 2x4s for additional bracing. Install all of the additional bracing. Install the corner panels with the cut side up using one of the provided screws into a brace. Hold the access panel in place, cut side up, and attach with one screw into a center base. Measure and cut each end panel to width. Cut the panel 1/4 inch less than your measurement to allow for expansion. Slide the end panel cut side up behind the flanges on the corner panel and access panel. Secure using the provided screws. Finish installing the rest of the panels. The Comfort-Plastics Restor-A-Spa Kit is available in 3 colors: gray, espresso, and black.